Hey guys, my name is Munching Brotato. I am new to this series, so I'm going to do the Bean Boozle test. Let's go. I have all these Bean Boozles, okay? I'm going to probably set them right here? Yeah. Let's go. Oh, and guys, I forgot to mention, go on my sister's channel. Her name is Sprinkles105, okay? Do that. After this video, though, and after you leave a like. This is rather like dog, I don't know. It tastes like coffee. Yeah. Let's try another one. And I'm probably going to only do 5 this video. Okay. This one. It's rather skunk spray or something. It tastes like grape. Oh. And if you have a comment in the video, then make sure to leave a comment about like all the Bean Boozle things if you have any time. Okay, guys, I won't make you, but it's like your suggestion, okay? This is green if you don't see it on the screen. That's apple. Coconut. Wow. Pretty good. Now this one. Sorry. I'm going to do something that my sisters suggested. At the, like, in the middle of the video, I might throw all of these, you don't see them, I don't think. Oh, dang. Sorry. All of, where did it land? I'll just say jelly beans, okay? I'm sorry if they keep on dropping, guys. Going to try these. Okay, let's have a go. Strawberry. Oh, and that reminds me, I've been to like this sushi store before, and I got this soda there. It tastes like strawberry. It's really good though. Let's try this one now. Just like booger or something. Juicy pear, I love that. Now this one. That is key lime. That is key lime. I know it from the taste. That is key lime. Now this one. This is buttered popcorn. It tastes so good. Now these 3 more. I don't know, it tastes pretty good. Now this one. Sorry, guys. Now when I know what my sister is talking about, I put in one more thing. It's like this red one. I threw it in my mouth, and it's like this cinnamon thing. It's like, have you ever tried the candy Toxic Waste? If you have, tell me on the comments. And if you have, still tell me on the comments and leave a like. That kind of tastes like Toxic Waste. Yeah. So, see you guys. Make sure to leave a like on the subscription. Okay. Bye.